Roblox Voice Chat verification loop. So to fix the Roblox Voice Chat verification loop, what you can do is log out of the mobile app and log into your account using Roblox website via Safari or Chrome on your phone or computer, as the mobile app frequently bugs out during verification loops. Now the next thing what you can do is reinstall or clear the cache. If you are on your Android device, you can just go to your Android device's settings, then find a Roblox and then go to its storage and then clear the app cache. But if you are on iOS device, what you can do is go to the existing Roblox app, then tap and hold on it, then tap remove app. Now tap delete app to confirm it. Then go to your Apple App Store, find the Roblox app and then re-download it from there. Now the next what you can do is open the Roblox app, tap the menu in the top left, then go to settings, then go to account info and then remove or re-add your verified phone number or email address and make sure that your account birth date matches your legal ID precisely. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.